Good morning, guys. Where are we going today?
To the top of the mountain, Lord of the Squirrels.
Lord of the Squirrels. One of the most stunning mountain bike trail in Worcester.
Maybe in the world.
In the world, even?
It's pretty good, yeah.
It's pretty good. This must-do trail in Worcester locates on the west from the village, and it opens only a few months in a year. Those climbing trails take us to a beautiful alpine area. Going into alpine makes me already excited, but this time, Eric makes it more eager to climb up for me.
So if you can make it to the top of Lord of the Squirrels, the very, very top, you can't go any higher without stopping, then I'll buy you cake after.
Right now, we are here. To get to the top, it's gonna be more than 13 kilometers of climbing and 1,200 meters of elevation. So it's gonna be pretty hard.
So there are a few rules. If there's snow, you're allowed to walk through it.
And there's a gate, so I have to walk.
You're allowed to put a foot down on technical climbs, but you have to keep pedaling up. You can't stop.
Probably this is the easiest way to get to the top of the mountain, which is here. I pre-rode yesterday and I did pretty good, but I'm tired today. Okay, let's go. So yesterday I wasn't quite ready, so I was so hungry in the middle. Today I'm so ready. I put my snack on the bar and I can get it anytime I want. It's gonna be steep. My challenge has begun. And there's the gate. I have to walk. Eric is checking on me closely, so I have to get on the bike quickly. Okay. Technical climbing. Last night was pouring rain. The trail is still pretty slippery. I'm not doing great, huh? Oh my god. No. I made it! But here is the mechanical trouble.
What the hell?
Yesterday was okay. From now on, I cannot use the shifter, so the chain doesn't fall. Okay, the wind ends from here. It's easy until into the Mystic. If you see this beautiful bridge, into the Mystic, it's almost there. Into the Mystic! This is the beginning of the long climbing. Nice view. Bye-bye, we can't stop. Bear, bear! High five! High five! Why did you hit me? High five! This smart guy started bribing me when I just started riding mountain bike. At that time, I really hated climbing, so Eric gave me a little joy into climbing. After this viewpoint, still a long way to go, and my mind kinda shuts down. I will remember you. This is my first time I earned a cake. I joined a race for a cake. I even earned a cake for breaking my neck. All those memories of cakes gave me energy. And this rock slab brings me back from my coma. That means the alpine area is so close.
Did it.
Yes. Oh yeah! Okay, into the Mystic is done. Nice. So now we are on the rock. I feel like it's almost over, but I still have to climb up to the top, which is quite steep. In that case, this will help. Gummy power! Gummy power! Okay, it's no section. I'm gonna walk. Gummy power! Is that the top?
This is the top.
Nice! High five!
High five.
Can I stop now?
Yeah, you can stop. Yeah, stop.
was it?
You did great.
Yes.
Yes, honey.
The sugar really helps.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel good today actually.
Congratulations, you earned a cake.
Did I undercake?
Yes, but you did walk a couple times. What do you think about that?
It's still a bit shame. My chain fell off, so.
You walked some Rudy sections.
In the beginning?
Yes, I saw
Yeah,
that.
that's really tech, you know. But I didn't stop.
Yeah.
I ride right away.
The big rock you tried to walk up and I said no.
But you gave me penalty, you know, remember?
I squeezed your brake a little bit.
Exactly. On the climbing. Mean man, yeah?
Look at your hands.
My chain.
Yeah. Alright, what are you gonna eat now?
Sandwich. Squished sand. My favorite food.
Squished is better?
Really cold, yeah? Now we're at the top. What we will do is only to go down. I'm not sure how many cakes I earned before I actually able to enjoy climbing. So thanks to Eric for encouraging me the way I could still have fun while in hell. He put me through a lot of hell, but I admit that makes me strong and better rider. So if you want your partner to be a strong rider, this might be a way. But I cannot promise you that this works on your partner. Can I get the loaf, the blueberry one? This is great though.